In this video, I will show you how to update the system software or firmware of your Samsung Smart TV. Now first things first, you want to make sure that you are at the home of your Samsung Smart TV, and you also want to make sure that you're actually connected to the internet for this to work. Now once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your Samsung Smart TV by just using these navigation buttons over here to navigate to the left hand side, just like so, until you get to the gear icon, which is basically settings. Now go ahead and select it. And from here, you want to scroll down just like so until you get to support over here. Click on it and then go ahead and click on software updates just like so. Now, as you can see over here, my Samsung Smart TV is not up to date because there is actually a newer version over here. So I'll just go ahead and select update now. Now, obviously, this process is going to restart your Samsung Smart TV, and your Samsung Smart TV should automatically download and install the newer software updates to your TV. And now, my Samsung Smart TV has successfully downloaded and installed the current software and firmware updates. And what this will mean is that my Samsung Smart TV now has all of the newest features and software fixes that has been made to the Samsung Smart TV. So you want to go ahead and do this on your Samsung Smart TV and you're good to go. That will be all on today's video, guys. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.